So you've set up your Chromaglow lights, and here comes the fun part. Now you get to customize all your colors, your patterns, and your effects. Let's take a look. What you want to do is when you open up the app, you see a color wheel. So you can move your finger around on this color wheel and check it out. We have 16 million color options, so the world is your oyster. You can also choose some preset color options. If you look to the right of the color wheel, you'll see cool white and warm white. If you'd like to create your own custom color patterns, all you have to do is start by clicking on any color on your color wheel. That'll be your first color. Click the plus icon to start adding colors. Keep clicking the plus icon until you've added every color that you want to your pattern. If you made a mistake and you want to delete a color, all you have to do is click on the color that you'd like to delete, and then click the trash can icon in the top left. The dark button to the right of the color wheel is a great choice if you want to skip an LED in your light pattern. Doing this gives you a nice architectural lighting effect. As an example, you might want to select warm white 2 times and then dark 3 times. Speaking of effects, there's lots to choose from. Scroll down to the effects panel. Fixed colors will give you a steady light effect, but there's also other options. Ping pong, twinkle, and lots more. You can adjust preferences in the slider in the app. You can change speed, brightness, and spacing. Found the perfect color combo? Save it by hitting the heart icon in the top left. But if you're not into creating custom color patterns, don't worry. You could go into the presets tab, and there you'll find patterns for all of your favorite holidays throughout the year. Hope this helps, and as always, we here at Big Star Lights are here to help. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions about Chromaglow or the Pixel Dancer app.